Hello woodworkers and DIY lovers! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're revealing the 20 must-have woodworking tools on Amazon that are blowing up right now. From genius woodworking tools and time-saving carpentry tools to precision measuring devices and must-have shop accessories. These are the tools every woodworker dreams of. Whether you're setting up your home workshop or you're a professional woodworker, these Amazon finds will completely change the way you build and create. Stick around because tool number 7 will blow your mind with how much time it saves in the workshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Getting precise, clean cuts without struggle is every woodworker's dream. The Blue Spruce American pull saw combines Western tooth geometry with Japanese pull stroke theory, delivering effortless starts and straighter cuts. Crafted from a razor-thin 0.012 inches premium spring steel plate, it features a 15 ppi hybrid tooth line ideal for both rip cuts and cross cuts. The teeth are hammer set and secured to a precision milled spine, ensuring maximum accuracy. With handle options in resin-infused figured maple or Bolivian rosewood, it offers both comfort and beauty. Unlike disposable saws, this blade can be resharpened like a traditional Western saw, making it perfect for both novice and seasoned woodworkers seeking long-lasting performance. A smooth, flawless finish is essential for any serious woodworking project. The Grizzly Oscillating Edge Sander is built to deliver precision, power, and efficiency with ease. Powered by a 3-horsepower, 230-volt motor with a variable frequency drive, it ensures high-torque sanding from a single-phase source, reducing wear and boosting performance. It's a 102-inch by 6-inch sanding belt that runs at 3,939 feet per minute with a 3/4-inch oscillation, preventing burn marks and keeping surfaces consistent. The precision ground cast iron table offers a rock-solid work surface, while the auxiliary sanding table makes contour sanding effortless. With a tilting platen up to 45 degrees, dual dust collection, and adjustable rollers, this sander is perfect for achieving smooth, accurate edges. Getting precise angles when working on furniture or flooring can be tricky without the right tool. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is a practical aid when laying floors and building furniture, designed to make marking and transferring angles simple and accurate. With 2 flexible plastic legs, it works perfectly even in tight spaces. Its lever with one-hand operation allows convenient fastening from both sides, while the integrated fold-out limit stop provides better support on the workpiece. Featuring a marking gauge function and an integrated scale, it easily marks parallel lines or angles. Ideal for both furniture building and flooring projects, this gauge ensures precision and efficiency in every task. When working with different materials, you need a tool that delivers versatility, power, and clean results. The Evolution Power Tools Chop Saw is a 14-inch multi-purpose saw built for exactly that, offering multi-material cutting through wood, plastic, composite decking, aluminum, copper pipe, and even mild steel with virtually no heat, burrs, or sparks. Its 14-inch 32T tungsten carbide-tipped blade ensures large cut capacity and accurate cuts, while the high-torque 15-ampere motor provides consistent performance with a minimum OE 160-hour motor life. With a movable wall, vise, and V-block included, it handles angled cuts up to 45 degrees with ease. Portable with a built-in carry handle and mounting holes, this chop saw is perfect for workshops and job sites alike. Achieving precise, repeatable cuts can be challenging without the right support system. The SawStop sliding crosscut attachment combines precision engineering and industry-leading quality with a sleek, practical design to deliver smooth, accurate results every time. Constructed from T6 aircraft-grade aluminum with a durable black anodized finish, it offers up to 48-inch crosscut capacity with traditional mounting or 36-inch capacity when flush mounted. Its oversized fence extends to 58 inches, featuring large flip stops with adjustable scales and magnified lenses for perfect repeatability. With a miter gauge adjustable to plus or minus 60 degrees, multiple large bearings for smooth travel and flexible adjustability, this attachment is ideal for accurate crosscuts, furniture building, and detailed woodworking projects. Every project demands a tool that can adapt quickly to multiple tasks without slowing you down. The Porter Cable Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit delivers exactly that. Power and performance in the palm of your hand. With a 2.5 ampere motor producing up to 20,000 oscillations per minute, it provides the strength and control needed for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding with precision. Its tool-free accessory change system with a patented lever release and multi-pin locking system ensures fast swaps and perfect alignment every time. Available in corded 36-piece kits and cordless 32-piece 12-volt max versions, this multi-tool is perfect for finishing, repairs, flooring, and remodeling projects with professional accuracy. Drilling through hardwood can often be time-consuming and energy-draining without the right bit. The KWB energy-saving wood drill bits are engineered for efficiency, offering up to 3 times faster drilling in hardwood while preserving battery life. With the AKKU Top FCE HSS M2 hardwood drill and the standard CV hardwood drill 18-volt, these bits feature an energy-patented centering tip with twin land flute design, ensuring clean, precise bore holes without ripping. Made from precision-grinded industrial-quality materials with a cylindrical shaft, they deliver durability and accuracy. Ideal for spruce wood, bankirai, Douglas fir, chipboard, gypsum plasterboard, and plastic. These drill bits are perfect for decking, furniture building, and general woodworking projects. Creating smooth, precise hollow forms can be challenging without the right tool for control and accuracy. The Carterproducts Perfect Hollower is a professional articulated arm hollowing system designed for effortless maneuverability and superior results. Its articulated arm allows smooth movement, while the non-captive design gives you more control during use. It fits most lathes and is vertically adjustable, making it highly versatile. The angled cutter offers anything from smooth to aggressive cutting, supported by heavy-duty construction for long-lasting durability. As a perfect addition to your Perfect Sphere tool, it also supports an optional laser guide for precision and an optional strong bore for starting workpieces, ideal for precise hollowing projects. Achieving perfectly aligned decking without visible screws is crucial for a professional finish. The trend-concealed screw decking jig allows you to install decking with hidden fasteners using 50-degree hardened screw guides that ensure accurate concealed screw placement. It features built-in board spacers for consistent gaps, board width adjustment from 90 to 150 millimeters, and a quick release clamping arm for secure, precise positioning. Compatible with 3.5 to 5.5 millimeter screws, it also offers onboard tool storage to keep your driver bit within reach. This jig makes decking installation quick, accurate, and aesthetically pleasing, extending the life of your deck while maintaining a flawless, professional appearance. Sometimes a compact workshop demands power, precision, and flexibility in one solution. The Tritontools Contractor Saw Module is designed to seamlessly integrate into the TWX7 Work Center, instantly transforming it into a professional-grade table saw setup. Powered by a robust 1,800 watts motor with a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM, it delivers the strength to cut through tough materials with ease. The saw features dual dust extraction ports, a 254mm 60T TCT blade, and a cutting depth of up to 83mm, ensuring cleaner, safer, and accurate cutting. With its single-handed rip fence adjustment, angled cutting up to 45 degrees, and portable design, this module is perfect for rip, cross, and miter cuts in woodworking projects. Installing doors can be tricky without proper support, risking misalignment or damage. The Wolfcraft Easy Door Frame Jig simplifies this process, making frame alignment easy and secure. Designed to support the frame during foam filling, it can be fastened directly to the door frame while still horizontal, preventing the frame from tipping or shifting during straightening. The jig locks firmly on the sides, ensuring safe transport and insertion, while providing precise vertical and horizontal alignment without additional shims or wedges. Compatible with all standard external door dimensions of 610, 735, 860, and 985 millimeters, it is an indispensable tool for confident, accurate, and efficient door installation. Sometimes achieving perfectly straight and accurate grooves with a router can be tricky without the right setup. The POWERTEC router guide rail adapter makes routing precise cuts simple by working seamlessly with a track saw guide rail. This system allows you to create straight grooves, decorative grooves, dovetails, and more with professional accuracy. The kit includes the guide rail adapter, 0 to 8 mm and 0 to 33 mm supports, 5 adjustment screws, and both 8 by 250 mm and 12 by 250 mm rods for versatile setups. It features easy assembly, adjustable supports, and fine tuning screws to eliminate slack, ensuring smooth and stable movement. Perfect for woodworking, this adapter ensures clean, repeatable, and safe router operations. Precision and control are essential for professional woodworking tasks. The Tritontools T1 EPS router combines dual base functionality with trim and plunge capabilities, offering a 1/4 inch collet and a 710-watt motor with soft start for smooth operation. Its extended trim base and 60 mm plunge base with rack and pinion height adjustment ensure precise cuts, while the precision centering system and fine 0.2 mm increment depth display enhance accuracy. Variable speed control from 10,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute maintains constant speed under load. Compatible with trend guide bushes, this router is ideal for jig use, templating, inlaying, hinge fitting, trenching, and timber profiling, making it versatile for both light and detailed woodworking projects. Keeping chisels razor sharp is essential for precise woodworking. The blue spruce leather paddle strop combines premium cowhide leather with chromium oxide compound, offering an efficient way to maintain your tool's edges between sharpening sessions. Its textured leather surface provides extra bite for honing, while simple preparation with a light coating of compound ensures optimal performance. Using the strop, you can polish bevels and remove burrs by pulling the blade at the correct angle, preserving the edge without damaging the leather. Perfect for chisels and similar tools, this strop extends cutting performance, reduces frequent sharpening, and delivers a superbly sharp edge for precise woodworking tasks. Switching between different woodworking tasks shouldn't slow you down. The Carter stabilizer is designed to replace standard guides for effortless freehand scroll cutting, giving you total control and precision on intricate details. Built with stability in mind, it allows smooth transitions from heavy-duty resawing to delicate scroll work in seconds. By swapping out your precision Carter guides, you can maintain efficiency across multiple projects without compromising accuracy. Ideal for fine, detailed cuts, the stabilizer enhances your workflow, making complex scroll patterns manageable. From resawing to scrolling, Carterproducts improve woodworking efficiency, ensuring you complete projects with confidence, control, and professional-level precision. Supporting and elevating your workpiece is essential for precision and efficiency in any project. The Kreg multipurpose project blocks provide a versatile solution, allowing you to hold, support, and work on projects anywhere. Designed for finishing, routing, sanding, clamping, cutting, and creating a project workspace, these blocks elevate your work above the surface for better access. Their retractable painting points lock securely and can hold up to 200 pounds, while Grip Max surfaces prevent the sliding of both the blocks and workpieces. Hex-shaped for stability, they simplify routing, drilling, assembling, and cutting sheet goods. Durable and multifunctional, these blocks make complex woodworking tasks easier, safer, and more precise. Precision and efficiency are essential for fast, reliable drilling. The Sutton XP Bullet combines innovation and performance with engineering designed for professionals. Featuring an extreme parabolic flute for rapid chip ejection and a self-centering precision split point, it ensures faster, more accurate hole placement every time. Optimized for cordless drills, it reduces drilling pressure, extending battery life, and minimizing interruptions. Crafted from premium European high-speed steel, the XP Bullet is durable and built for long-lasting performance. Whether tackling tough materials or repetitive tasks, this drill bit delivers speed, precision, and reliability, making it an essential tool for efficient, high-quality drilling in any workshop or job site. Joining furniture components quickly and securely is essential for efficient woodworking. The Lamello LC P-16 excels in this by enabling P-system form locking anchorage of P-system connectors, providing strong and reliable connections with shallow groove depth and fast insertion. Its lateral tolerance ensures precise alignment, while compatibility with Zeta P2 tools and CNC machines allows versatile groove cutting. The P-system connector range offers multiple functions for various applications, dramatically increasing efficiency and saving time on every joint. With the LC P-16, woodworkers can join multiple carcasses in an hour with ease, making it an indispensable tool for professional and hobbyist projects alike. Accurate hinge placement is essential for a professional durable cabinet finish. The trend-concealed cabinet hinge jig provides effortless concealed hinge installation with precision-guided drilling. It features 3, 4, 5, and 6 mm hinge inset positions for perfect door edge alignment, a spring-loaded drill guide to protect surfaces, and an inbuilt depth stop to prevent over-drilling. The kit includes a 35 mm TCT machine bit with cutting spurs for clean edges and a pin guide system for quick setup. Constructed from glass fiber reinforced nylon, it ensures durability while remaining lightweight, making concealed hinge installation fast, precise, and reliable every time. Creating strong, precise joints quickly is essential for efficient woodworking. The Kreg Quick-Flip simplifies this process by allowing you to drill a pilot hole and a counterbore in one step using a single dual-action bit. Compatible with drills and impact drivers, it features a double-ended insert. One end drills a perfect pilot hole and counterbore for Kreg screws, while the other exposes a 2-square drive bit to drive the screw home. The built-in hex wrench adjusts drilling depth to match screw length, ensuring a recessed, secure joint. Ideal for face joining, corners, and various applications, it combines speed, strength, and precision for professional quality results. And that wraps up our list of the 20 must-have woodworking tools on Amazon that are blowing up. Which tool impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow DIYers and woodworking friends, and subscribe for more woodworking tools, DIY gadgets, and shop essentials every week. Keep building, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.